Okay, student. Now our question is display the female of Tamil Nadu, and we have to going to write the code. For this, we are using this data frame object dot iat. Here row index, then column index. df dot iat, then row index. We have to display the female. Okay, then we have a row index. Row index is 0 1 0 1 2. This is 2, and then column index is 0 column 1 column. This is 1, and when we execute, we will get the same answer, 2100. This is. Let's move to next question. Display the male and infant population of states. Here we have to display the male and infants population of states. Let me write the code of this. Print df dot we will use the columns name. When you have to display more than one column, then we will use a square bracket inside the square bracket. It means we will use the double square bracket. And but we have to display the infant. We have to display male and infant. Execute the code. It display only male and infant of all states. The next question is display the male population. Okay, now here this time we have to display only male population. Then it is very simple, df, then square bracket, and simple write male, and this. You just see, it is just showing the male population. This is the male population 5000, and it is showing 5000. Okay. Let me make it comment so that you will see the output. This is the male population. This 5000, 2500, 1200. This. Now the next question is display the data in ascending order of male. When you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order, then we have to do sorting. And in pandas, for sorting, we have a function. We can perform the sorting two types: sort by value and sort by index. Here data frame object name, then sort underscore value, then here by means what the field you require for the field for which you have to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order. Then here access, you know it very well, access 0 defined row and 1 column. Then ascending order, if here you will write the true, then it will display the data in ascending order, and if you will write it false, then it arrange the data in descending order. So once again, here by it requires the column name for which you have to arrange the data in ascending or descending order. Access, you know, access is either 0 or 1. 0 stand for rows and 1 stand for column. Ascending order, if it is true, then it will arrange the data in ascending order, and if you write here false, then it arrange the data in descending order. Similarly, you can arrange the data in ascending or descending order by its index. For this you have to use data frame dot sort index. Okay, let's move to our example. Now the question is saying display the data in ascending order of mail. So let us see how we are going to do this. First make it comment, then print df dot sort by value. This here you say by is equal to, we have to take the field mail, then we have ascending is equal to true, this, and when I will do this, let me execute the code. When I will do this, you will see this is data is arranged in ascending order of male population. You just see Tamil Nadu have, then smaller, then after this AP, then Punjab, then UP, then entire data is set as per this field. And let's move to the next question. Here if you want to arrange the data, then you have to use the sort values. Sort values is used to arrange the data in ascending order or descending order as per the elements, as per the value of data frame. I can make it comment, and then we move to next question. Display the data in descending order of male. Now we have to arrange the data in descending order. You only things what you have to do is, here you just write false. Here I have in previous I have write, sorry, here I have write true in a double quotes, whereas it is not in a double quotes. You have to do this. Okay. And then if you want in descending order, you simply write here false, and just see false. It is in a descending order. First a higher population, then this, subsequently it is going up. 5,000, 4,000, 3,000, this. Let's make it comment. We are moving to our next question. Display the data in descending order of female. Descending order of female, no need to worry. Simple thing, here you just change the field name. Here you write female and press F5. Now the data is arranged as per this field. You just say in ascending order it required, sorry, ascending order. For ascending order you simply write here true, then F5. This is in a ascending order of female. Is it okay? For ascending order, here you must have to write the true. Yes. We are moving to our last question. Display the data in sorting order of row index. Row index. Okay, let me set the data in row index. For this, what we will do? This is print df dot sort by index this, then sort by index. Here we simply write this, and now we execute it. Only thing we have to write ascending order. This is in ascending order. The data is in a ascending order of row index. A, D, AP, Delhi, Kerala, MP, Punjab, Tamil Nadu, UP. This is in a ascending order. Now the last question is display the data in sorting order of column index. Okay, column index. So you need not to worry. Make it comments this, and now print df dot short index, then here you say ascending is equal to 2, and then axis is equal to 1. See here, first F I M, it is arranged in a column index in ascending order. If you want a descending order, then put here false. Then my dear student, now in this video lecture, what you have learned here how to access an individual item of data frame, how you can access a range of or a subset of data items in data frame, and you have used ILOC. Here you have used ILOC function, and what ILOC function is saying, ILOC function is, this is row index and then column index. You are familiar with this all syntax. Then we have used the individual item using row method and as well as IAT, and then finally you know how to sort the data. We have here we have a two method of sorting: sort by value and sort by index. Thank you.